Is the i-Blason Armorbox going to be a good fit for your Galaxy Z Flip 7? Let's find out. So first off, if you look on the top piece on the back side, you do have a built-in screen protector. That covers that whole area of the top piece, and that's going to be great if you do drop your phone on that back side, or if you do have your phone folded in and you just drop it straight on that top piece. It does protect it a lot more just because you do have that built-in screen protector. On that same side, you do get a lot of camera lens protection too, just because you do have raised edges. So if you drop your phone on that piece, it's going to hit those raised edges first, giving your camera lens that protection. If you look in the middle here, you do have an automatic hinge piece. Not only does that protect the spine of your phone, but that's going to actually move with your phone as you unfold and fold it. So if you look right here, it does move with your phone, and then if you do have it unfolded, it will lock into place so that your phone can stay unfolded. Coming down to the bottom here, you also do have a built-in kickstand that pops in and pops out. You're going to get your vertical viewing here, and then you also do get horizontal viewing too. Around the whole case, you're going to also find airbags. These are going to be at every end of the case, top and bottom. Those are all going to be great for shock absorption, especially if you do drop your phone on the ends or the sides of the case, because if it does hit those airbags, all the shock is going to go to those. And last but not least, the Armorbox does come with an included belt clip, which can not only offer more protection, but a lot more conveniency too. All you have to do is fold your phone in. All you do is fold your phone in and it clips right in, and as you can see, you have that belt clip on the back, but it also is really durable, and you can really get any angle that you want with it because the belt clip does fully rotate 360, so you can move it around to whatever angle that you want, you know, clip it on your pants, whatever, your belt, and then you'll be good to go. Overall, I think the Armorbox is going to be a great fit for your 7 Flip if you are looking for a great daily and protective case. It's got every protection feature that you need. It's also super durable, really durable material, and then you have the built-in kickstand with that belt clip. It's going to make it a lot more convenient as well.